I recently simulated clackers, but I think that's a trash. You know why? Because what's the point of clackers without the click sounds? I searched the internet and I couldn't find any useful sounds. So I decided to make it myself. Let me see what we got. Nope. 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 I found this. What about this? Oh. Check this out. That's the exact sound of a plastic marble. Let's record the sound and add it to the clackers code. Don't forget to enable the P5 sound. Sound is done, let's make the clackers click. When I'm handling the collision, I can come here and play the sound when I have an impulse. Here it is, let me know what you think. If you like more of these simulations, you better subscribe. Peace.